The Emerson Quiet Kool dehumidifier is a new generation of dehumidification product. The model range from 30 to 70 pint. It comes with and without built-in pump. High levels of humidity create mold, mildew, musty smells, and bacteria in the house. Emerson Quiet Kool dehumidifier protects your home or office from mold and mildew caused by excess moisture. It has 3 preset humidity controls, allowing you to select the right place with just the touch of a button. You can also control the exact level of humidity and airflow. The product is with casters that allow for easy movement to any space for convenience. Enjoy the dry comfort and fresh air anywhere in your home. The 24-hour on-off timer lets you set the unit to turn on or off automatically based on your needs. It has bucket full alert with auto shutoff. When the bucket is full, the indicator light turns on and the unit shuts off. It is a reminder to empty the bucket. It is easy to detach the bucket and remove the water. After 250 hours of operation, the unit will remind you to clean the filter. It is easy to access and clean the filter. The unit has a child lock feature to lock the electronic controls for child safety. The product is able to keep performance even at low temperature, down to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Emerson Quiet Kool provides you with comfort, efficiency, and reliability.